Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make apple crumble. It's a baked sweet treat. The filling includes apples and berries, topped with crispy and buttery crumbles. Let's prepare the filling first. I will mix 2 Gala apples and 2 Granny Smith apples. Slice the 4 apples first. I also need some blackberries, some Muscovado sugar and cane sugar, some lemon juice and lemon zest. Add the cane sugar and keep the temperature at low heat. After 5 minutes, it melts and the color changes. It's time to add the apples. Also add the blackberries. Add the lemon zest and lemon juice. Keep stirring until the texture is soft. Add the Muscovado sugar. Mix them well. Let them melt. Now you can turn off the heat. This is the size of my baking dish. Transfer the filling to the baking dish and let it cool down. Preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit. To make the crumble, I will sift some all-purpose flour. Add the sugar. Rub in some room temperature unsalted butter finely. I prefer to make some nuggets or big lumps. It will be crunchy after baking. Sprinkle crumbles thickly and evenly over the fruits. Slightly press down with your fingers and smooth the top. I will bake it for 15 minutes at 375. Then lower the temperature to 350, then bake it for another 45 minutes. Time is up. Let's check it. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this apple crumble costs me $9.22. Traditionally, it is served warm with a side of custard or cream. I'm going to enjoy my apple crumble. Thanks for watching my video.